Hey everyone, this is Melissa with My Garden Retreat. Face reveal finally. We got the garden tilled, you can see it behind me, and we got the fence up and we put a door on it. So we can finally actually start getting things into the ground, and we are very late doing it, actually way too late doing it. Some of the plants are getting leggy and everything, so we're probably, at least with the tomatoes, we're gonna plant those a bit deeper than I guess you normally would if they weren't leggy. And we also have to mix some of the fertilizer and some gypsum and everything in with some of the soil that we have, and then that way everything will be fed. And we got to think about how we're gonna set up the soaker hoses, but that'll come a little bit later. For now, we just want to get stuff in the ground. Actually, some of the zucchini and the spaghetti squash already have flowers, as you can see, so yeah, really late, but we'll do our best to get them in the ground and get everything done. We do have some baby cherry tomatoes starting to form, and some brandywines forming too. So we do have a lot going on here. And then we've got this kitty cat of ours stalking a squirrel. She's, oh good lord. Is she actually gonna try to catch him? Uh-oh. I feel like I should be playing some Jaws music, like the theme from Jaws. See her dorsal fin in the grass. Oh, now she lost him. Oh, what's the matter, kitty? Did you lose your breakfast? I'm sorry. So we've also got these trees back here, and they're growing these berries on them. The birds like to eat them, and then they make a mess all over my car. It's like a purpley weird color. This is some dill here. This is cilantro. This is rosemary. So we are basically just figuring out a layout at the moment. We brought the cart in here. There's gonna be maybe a few rows of tomatoes, and then these are peppers, but we have a few more peppers. This whole area over here is gonna be just for squash, like spaghetti squash, zucchini, pumpkins, etc. And then there's more tomatoes on the cart here, and a kitty cat coming in. Okay, so the sun's out right now. It's kind of midday, and we got a bit of a storm. So what we did was we took all the plants that we want to put out, and we just set the cups down where we intend for them to be in the rows. The wind kind of knocked the cups over, so but it's okay though. We'll just go and we're just gonna take them out of the cups and put them in the ground anyway, so that doesn't matter. But yeah, so that's gonna be some broccoli, and we'll figure out other things to plant over there. We're having 2 long rows of tomatoes that are gonna have a trellis because they're gonna be indeterminate, and then we're gonna have a row of bush tomatoes and the other half of that row is going to be some peppers. And then this area over here is going to be the squash patch. Same thing, the cups got knocked over by the wind. We're going to sort of let the green beans and the, the cucumbers grow near the fence. Then we're going to have some pumpkins back there, and spaghetti squash, butternut squash, zucchini, the whole lot. So we're just going to go along now and get those actually put down in the ground, and then we'll be all good to go. Then we got to get get everything watered. We bought a bunch of those soaker hoses, so we're probably going to be using that. Okay, so we ended up having to take out a big light to light up the garden after dark, and some tiki torches to help keep the bugs away, plus a lot of bug spray, because it's just too hot in this Missouri sun to do this in midday, and I can only do this on my days off because I don't get out of work until 8 o'clock, and that's not enough time in the evening to really help out here unless we light it up like this. So And it's a pretty good solution because you can almost see like daytime out here right now. We're just rushing to get everything into the ground so that we can get this garden growing. That's it for this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Click the little bell so you'll be notified when we post a new video. Thank you for watching and happy gardening!